Meaning of Jaffa cake.
Jaffa cake.
Jaffa cake.
Jaffa cake.
Jaffa cake. A Jaffa cake is a biscuit-sized cake that is coated in chocolate and has a soft orange-flavored jelly filling in the center. It is a popular snack in the United Kingdom and Ireland, and it was first introduced by McVitie's in 1927. The name Jaffa comes from the fact that the jelly filling is flavored with the juice of Jaffa oranges, which are grown in Israel. Despite the name, Jaffa cakes are classified as cakes rather than biscuits for tax purposes, as they have a soft, sponge-like texture when compared to biscuits.